Hey YouTube, CJ here with the Trading Collective again with another indicator lesson. So today we're going to be going over the MacD, what it is, how to add it, and how to use it. So if you guys wouldn't mind really quickly smashing that like button for the YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribing, it helps us out a bunch. So we're in TradingView here, free platform where you can analyze anything from stocks such as AMD to cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. So first we're going to see how we can add it. We'll go up to FX indicators. We'll type in MacD. Click on it and we'll have it added here at the bottom of the screen. So what the MacD is with this blue line and this orange line is it's two separate moving averages. Both are of different values, so you see them at different points. Now, what you're looking for when you're using the MacD is points of where it's crossing. So a lot of traders will use it as an indicator for when a trend might be accelerating. So they'll use it as a point for entry. So we'll look at points down here where we're seeing the lines crossing. So blue line under orange line is bearish, and blue line over orange line is bullish. Now when those lines are crossing from bearish to bullish, the stock is becoming bullish. So this point of convergence right here would have been a great point of entry as you look up and you see the climb, and then the more consistent climb here. Now you can use it and you can find more points right here. Where the MacD lines are crossing again, and you see it going up, and then you see the price reflecting that. Now it's important to note that the further the lines are apart from one another, the stronger that move is. So when you're seeing lines close right here and then separating further, it's because it's picking up momentum. Now also something to point out is the zero line. The zero line runs all the way through the middle of the MacD. Now whenever these lines are below or above the zero line, it's important to note that overall the stock is bullish or bearish. So in a perfect scenario, you'd like to find the lines crossing from bearish to bullish right around the zero line. That would be a good point of entry. And then when you see the lines starting to cross again, wanting to go bearish, that would be a good point of exit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is the MacD. That's how you use it. That's how you add it. This was a Trading Collective lesson. If you guys like it, subscribe. And again, hit that like button. It really helps us out a bunch. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.